This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the ice cream very firm. Scoop 12 small balls and freeze 30-60 minutes so they hold shape. While those chill, mix 1 cup glutinous rice flour with 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa, plus 3 tablespoons sugar and a pinch of salt. Combine 3/4 cup water gradually until smooth. This makes the mochi batter. Once mixed, cover with plastic wrap touching the surface to prevent skin. Start heating in short bursts to avoid boiling over. You'll cook the mochi batter in 20-30 second microwave bursts, stirring each time until it becomes translucent and viscous. This shows the flour gelatinized. Transfer to a well-dusted surface with 1/4 cup potato or cornstarch. Dust the dough top and roll to about 3 mm thickness. Cut into 12 roughly 2.5 3-inch squares. Once cut, keep the dough pieces separated with starch to prevent sticking, because if they clump, they're hard to salvage. Prepare to assemble quickly while you wrap by placing a frozen ice cream ball in the center of a mochi square, then pull edges up and pinch the seam tightly. Use chilled hands or a spoon to avoid melting. After sealing, smooth the seam under with dusted fingers and place seam side down on a tray. Freeze the finished mochi for 1-2 hours to fully set. If dough gets too warm and sticky, add more starch, refrigerate for 10 minutes, then re-roll. If ice cream softens, refreeze before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.